In this video, we will show the best hybrid bicycles available to buy. At number 10. Montra Helicon Disc Supercycle. It comes in 85% assembled state, toolkit provided for DIY installation. It is an ideal for cyclist with a height between 5 feet 1 inch to 5 feet 8 inches, take from the catalog. At number 9. LightSpeed Dryft Electric Bicycle. It is special because it doubles up as a great city bicycle and an ideal adventure companion. This battery is concealed in an elegant bottle case that rests on the bottom bracket of the bicycle. At number 8. Giant Escape 2 700C 24-speed hybrid bike. The stylish multicolor 18.5-inch aluminum alloy frame for superior stability and lightweight. Multi-purpose use including daily commutes and some fast trail rides. At number 7. Firefox Bikes Compact Hybrid Cycle. The cycle is delivered in semi-assembled condition, 85% assembled. Customer needs to assemble it before use. At number 6. Endless 27.5 T21 speed carbon steel mountain bike. The Endless cycle is delivered in semi-assembled condition, 85% assembled. Customer should assemble the cycle, fine-tune gear assembly and inflate tires properly, before use. At number 5. Hercules Roadeo Fugitive Hybrid Cycle. It comes in 85% assembled state and needs installation. The toolkit has been provided in the box. Age group is 15 plus years. At number 4. Polygon Heist 2 Hybrid Commuter Bike. This bike is fast, sturdy, comfortable and are ideal for riding on paved streets and bike paths. The Heist 2 is ideal for your morning commute or for weekend adventures. At number 3. Unirox Road Racer Hybrid Bike, Aluminum Alloy Crown Suspension Fork from Mode. Quick release system for touring, city rides, office use. Advanced mechanical disc brakes from Zoom model DB280. At number 2. Omobikes Fast Lightweight Hybrid Cycle. Stand out in the crowd with ultra-stylish, colorful and trendy cycle of this year. High tensile steel frame tested with 95 kg load with double anti-rust coating and colorful double wall alloy rims. At number 1. Hero Kyoto 26T Single Speed Cycle. The cycle is delivered in semi-assembled condition, 85% assembled. Customer needs to assemble it before use. Allen key and spanner provided in the box for installation.